Hello guys, this is God Sent of Scentfarms, and I'm so excited because the long-awaited order have finally arrived. Order for quail chick, going to 4 weeks now, but finally the first batch have arrived, and not all the batches anyway, but the first batch has arrived, and as you can hear them in the carton, and our brooding pen is ready, and we have our water mixed with glucose for them to regain their strength after the long distance of travel. And maybe after 20 to 30 minutes we will now introduce them to food. We'll now give them food, but let's do the unboxing together as I show you guys. These guys are really small, not their sizes are way smaller than what I envisaged. Wow, you see them? Very small. Wow, you can see how small they are. Small and smart. Anyways, let's use this opportunity to count them and see if what we got is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, we are done counting, and we actually lost how many? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We lost 5. This one is about to go in. We lost 5 of them, but the rest, as you can see, they are looking healthy. Some of them drinking water, and if you look closely, you see I put some pebbles inside the drinker because they are very small. They will love to go inside and they might drown, so the pebble is actually to help them to stay afloat. Let me put it that way, so that they don't get their self wet and get cold, because they can easily die of cold at this stage. You can see them, they are running around. No food yet, but I'm going to be dropping some food on the ground for them, and it's actually half of what we placed order for. These are actually order from 2 of my subscribers, and including myself are having this order. That's 3 of us, making it 3 of us that are going to be sharing this order. They have their own numbers, and I have my numbers inside as well, and I'm just going to be brooding it to 5 weeks old before I send it to them. So guys, the brooding stage is not going to be easy, but Scentfarms is here. You can see, wow, these guys are really small, very small. They are very small. You can see them running around. So the place is pretty warm for now, but probably in the night I'm going to introduce the coal pots to keep the place warm for them. Yes, later at night I'm going to introduce the coal pot. The coal pot is ready. I'm going to place it at the middle, and I'm going to be giving them a light as well, so that they can stay active and eat at any time of the day that they want. I can see some of them trying to fend for themselves, but this simply shows that they're probably hungry. These guys are 4 days old. As you can see them, they are 4 days old, yet they are still small. It's really funny compared to the chickens. These guys are really small. I can see some white ones. I'm really hoping to see what colored, some yellow ones. I'm really hoping to see what color they will grow into. Man, this is a serious fight. At this age, they are already fighting. So let me get some food and scatter for them so that they can eat, and I will be bringing you guys daily updates on the brooding process that we're going to be going through. Yes, we also got some cup drinkers as well that we're going to be using to upgrade our farms. So if you need any of these accessories, if you need your quails at any age, scentfarms is here to help you out. So we're going to be upgrading our quail cages, our breeder pens, using the automatic cup drinkers. So a subscriber also placed order for some of these ones as well, and so we can actually help you to get any of these accessories or any of these birds that you really want. And just give us a contact. Just contact us on the WhatsApp, or you can place a call through and we'll be there to assist you. Let me go get the food for them and see if they are now ready to eat. Wow, I'm back. These guys are actually extra loud. What we have here is the broiler super extra starter feed combos. As you can see, it's very small. I'm going to be scattering some on the ground for them before I'll put some on the feed bowl right here, so that they gradually get to know where to get food. Let me put this one right here. Okay, there's no one under. They are very small. So I'm going to be scattering some on the ground for them, so that they can get at anywhere they are. You can get access to food. Then gradually I'm going to be bringing them to know that this is where they will be getting food anytime that they are hungry. I also put a little here. They are really extra loud. You can see some of them there already trying to pick the food. See these guys here. Look at this one, trying to scatter as small as you are. These guys are really born wasters. So let me drop this other one right here, somewhere around. Okay, let me just drop it here. Oh, I really hope I don't cover them. Okay, here's a space. Now they can get under this one. Let me just put it close to each other. These guys are way small. Come on, man. Come on. Don't do that. Come on. So let me still scatter some around, so that we can get access to food. In a couple of days time, let's say in Okay, let me just say I'm going to leave this floor for just 1 week. Yeah, I'm going to leave this floor for 1 week, after which I'm going to take it out. As you can see, there is wood shavings underneath already, so I'll take out this this nylon floor and leave them to work on the wood shavings. I think I still really need to put some pebbles inside this water. You can see some of them are already getting themselves wet, and this could lead to mortality, and that is what I really do not want at this moment. I really do not want that, so I'm going to be keeping a close eye on them so that they don't get themselves wet all the time. Alright guys, expect daily updates from the brooding process here at Scent Farms. Quail birds, the arrival of quail birds. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me give my full attention to these guys, settle them in properly. Bye guys, see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.